Welcome to the EU Bee Partnership Prototype Platform on bee health. This video will guide you through our new platform that gathers, processes, and visualizes data relevant to bee and pollinator health. It will then guide you through the registration process to become a data provider. Let's explore how to navigate the available data on the platform. The platform is constantly growing, and administrators integrate new datasets frequently. So be sure to visit our website regularly. Currently, available datasets on pollinator health include hive scales, varroa infestation, and winter mortality. To begin, select one of the items on the right panel. The information will appear on the interactive map. Once you select data from digital beehive scales, you can zoom in on the location you wish to explore and choose a monitored apiary. A new panel will open, where you can find more information about the apiary. You can also explore in detail available data for the entire apiary or individual beehives. Click on Historic Data to review information on the chart. Here, you can select among different parameters. You can also click and drag to zoom on specific dates and times. Choose winter mortality to review percentages of colony mortality rates. You may customize the map by selecting the year and geographical resolution. Exploring socioeconomic data relevant to beekeeping is just as easy. Select a type of data, the year, and the resolution that you wish to explore. Just as with other types of data, click on the displayed information to know more about the details, participating projects and data providers. You can find out more about individuals, organizations and projects on the data providers and the participating projects pages. Periodical reports on processed data are also made available to the public. A more detailed description of data types, including the number of data points and data providers, is also available on the Data Types page. Becoming a data provider is easy and only takes a few minutes. First, choose whether you will share your data as an organization, group, project, or individual. Fill the form and upload the logo of the organization or project, and provide your contact information. Then, tell us about the data you will be sharing. You can select as many data types as necessary. There are several ways in which you can share your data with us. You may upload a single file containing relevant data or provide a link to a repository or file location. Please be sure to type instructions on how to retrieve the data if necessary. If you have a server for your data or use digital monitoring systems, you may provide us with instructions to establish an application programming interface. An API will allow you to share your data with us automatically. You control your data. You decide if your data will be made available to the public or not. Finally, include additional information to help promote your project or data collecting efforts. After receiving a confirmation email, you can log in and manage your profile. You can upload more data, modify your consent for data publication and add additional metadata. Thank you for joining our community. We will continue working together to unleash the power of data for the future of bees and pollinators.